how to see saved posts on thread. So if you have some posts saved on your Threads account, and now it is time for you to refix this post, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily have access to all of these posts on your Threads account. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see saved posts on Thread, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Threads app. Once open the Threads app, click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, click on the two lines at the top right, just above your Threads profile picture. Then you take into your Thread settings. On the settings, click on saved. Then here you have access to all your saved posts on Thread. You can unsave them by clicking on the three dots at the top right, then tap on saved. So you can just go ahead, repeat this on all your saved posts to unsave them. So that is basically how to see saved posts on Threads. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.